This agreement is basically parking the Irish dilemma until trade talks start. What can you give us? Can you give us a clue about what the discussion will now be focusing on? If we don't have, a strict return of border checks, are we going to see technical solutions such as cameras, drones, but also a system to pre-clear goods?
I don't think so. I mean, I think what we'll have here is an attempt to negotiate a very comprehensive trade partnership between the United Kingdom and the EU as a whole, which hopefully won't require border checks or barriers to trade. But that is a matter for the United Kingdom to negotiate that now. Of course, on the European side, we need to make sure that we protect the integrity of the single market, which is a huge single market of 500 million consumers. And so, I think people are anxious to move into that trade negotiation. I think it'll be very complicated. I think Britain will have to make choices. I don't think the idea that Britain is going to be able to negotiate bilateral trade agreements with other parts of the world and at the same time have barrier-free access into the EU single market. I don't think those two things are compatible. And so there will be choices to be made. But that's a matter for the Phase 2 negotiations. The important issue from an Irish perspective is that we hope, of course, and I think we'll be a big ally of the United Kingdom now in terms of looking for the most open and most comprehensive trade partnership between the United Kingdom and the EU, because that's good for the Irish economy as well. We have a very big trade relationship with the UK. It's worth 65 billion euros a year. We have almost 40,000 Irish companies that trade with Britain every week. So that is a big part of the Irish economy. So we want that free-flowing trade to continue.